Have you ever wondered how machines work? Or what makes cars move? Mechanical engineering is all around us. It involves designing, analyzing, and manufacturing machines and systems. Let's break down what mechanical engineering is all about. Mechanical engineering combines physics, mathematics, chemistry, and materials science. It applies these subjects to solve real-world problems. From designing engines to creating robots, the applications are endless. Next, we'll discuss the critical skills you need in this field. First, problem solving is essential. You'll frequently face complex challenges. You must think creatively to find effective solutions. Communication skills are also vital. Engineers often work in teams. You must explain your ideas clearly and understand others. Now, let's look at the core concepts of mechanical engineering. These include mechanics, thermodynamics, and fluid dynamics. Mechanics studies forces and motion. Thermodynamics examines energy and heat. Fluid dynamics focuses on liquid and gas behavior. To solidify these concepts, consider practical examples. Imagine designing a car engine. You'll use mechanics to understand how forces impact performance. Thermodynamics helps you optimize fuel efficiency. Fluid dynamics ensures better airflow for speed. Mechanical engineers often work on exciting projects. They design everything from household appliances to spacecraft. Their work aims to improve functionality, safety, and efficiency. Summarizing key points, mechanical engineering is a diverse field. It combines technical skills and scientific knowledge. Problem solving and communication are crucial abilities. Core concepts include mechanics, thermodynamics, and fluid dynamics. If you're interested in exploring mechanical engineering, start with online resources. Check out videos, courses, and forums. Join engineering communities to connect with others. Get excited about mechanics, machines, and motion. Dive deeper into this incredible field. Explore your potential as a mechanical engineer today.